So here I am sitting my room. No, actually my sister's room. Today I'm gonna be practicing shotgun. In rank. Yeah, that's me.
Destroy the objective.
I'm trying to be quiet so I can focus on my aim. Because I just woke up, not gonna lie.
Lost the bomb.
Oh man. Those stupid minion losers keep getting me, man. Yeah, you can rush if you want. Almost everyone is there, bruh. Almost the whole... Almost everyone was in there, bruh. What? No way. Bro, there was like 5 people in that room. What? Yeah, we can do it, man.
Destroy the objective.
I think they're gonna be there again. Yeah, they're there. Yeah, they are there again, man.
Grenade out!
Oh, they're not good. They are not.
Tango down!
No way, man. Ouch! Nah, nah. Uh-oh. Yep. Just try to be alive, man. There's a thermite ammo user there. Plant the damn... Plant the bomb, man. No, are they getting... Are they actually afraid? Plant the bomb.
Targets in sight. Bomb has been planted.
Oh, he's there. Let's go.
Nice work. We're ready for the next round.
That's just how I am. Trying everything that I'm not good at rank.
Destroy the objective. We got
I
the
don't know
bomb.
if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Oh, damn, I see someone there. I saw someone there, not gonna lie. Maybe here. He's pushing here alone. Uh-oh. 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 Oh no. Is he alive? Is he alive? I won't risk it, gonna lie. I'm not gonna risk it. I might die actually.
Enemy contact. Lost the bomb.
Holy shit, man.
Bomb acquired.
Ouch! Oh no.
Target down.
Yes.
Nice work.
Let's go. 4 kills already. I didn't know. We go.
Destroy the objective.
We can do this. RK Grace, if you're watching this, man, I thank you. My influencer isn't actually that easy.
Contact with enemy.
Yes, let's go, man. That was my first clash. My first clash actually broke one. Awesome. Oh, that's. Oh, it's only the Manowar, dude. It's only the Manowar.
Finish it.
Where is it? Let's go! I'm actually getting better at shotgun. Like last night, I was. Like last night, when I did this, I don't know where my aim was.
Defend the objectives.
Character development? Skill, man. I think I need to reposition my map. How did he die? Like actually, how did he die?
Bomb has been planted.
Someone is in doom. Ah!
Enemy in sight.
Yo, no one. Where is it? Yo, rush. Rush it. Rush it, man! Well, no one's guarding it. Yup, nah, I'm ending it. Yo, last second, man! I wish I get MVP, not gonna lie. But I guess I did good. I did well, not gonna lie. Well done, everyone. 6 kills. Oh my god. I cannot achieve that in when I literally suck. I literally suck at shotgun. I rarely do the movement that I was supposed to do. I guess I don't know. No. Oh, operator skill. Wait. Let me switch the front line so I can do this. I don't. No. Wait, where am I? Wait, hold. No, no. Yes. Wait. No. Right. How about this? Should I change it? Any unit actually kills a lot. I think I should be fine. Yeah, I think I should be fine. Man, I really need tempered. My tempered screen, man. My new phone I still haven't put any tempered to it. There's so much scratch. No, seriously, like, I suck at this, like last night. I'm aiming for a shirt, maybe 2 matches? Yeah, I think after this I will finish the build. Yep. Let me try this. Oh, we got in. I saw it. Oh, see, like that. Like, that's what I meant. That's what I meant. Like, actually, that's what I meant earlier. Like, I suck at
We've
this.
taken the lead.
I don't know why I did good there.
Target in sight.
See, man, my aim is disappearing every time I go into front line. I think we're gonna lose this. Yup, there. Bro, what? This is humiliating, man. Where the hell is my aim?
We've taken the lead.
Oh, ping spike. Ping spike. Uh-oh. Yeah, someone's here. What? What? No! Bro! I think shotgun is not the go-to in this.
We've taken the
Oh my
lead.
god. I think I should go. I think I should switch to a assault rifle.
Contact with enemy.
Bro! What? Bro! No! Bro, look where I am! No kills and 5 deaths! Yeah, no. No, I'm switching to USS 9.
We've taken the
No,
lead.
I don't care, bro.
Objective almost complete. Keep it up.
I need to get the operator. I need to spin. I need a drop in that. Man, always that people. It's always that type of people that hits you and that things you don't. And I don't even have any idea where they are. Bro, like, am I cooked? Bro, what's happening to me? Time to show up my aim. I suck earlier.
Taking the lead.
I think I'm only good at ARs or SMGs.
UAV online.
Holy shit, man! Holy shit! What? They're catching up. Gonna lie. Let me pull up.
We've taken the
I
lead.
only need to kill like 3 people. Only 3 people and I'm done. Let's
Standing
go.
by. Repeat. UAV recon standing by.
I cannot kill that guy.
UAV online. We've taken the lead.
Somehow everyone is getting a host. Getting legendaries. Like how, man? I saw a trial, like, I forgot what it's called. A trial legendary.
Enemy UAV spotted.
Man, hindi ko siya nasisi.
Taking the lead. Winning this one.
Oh, dang! Equalizer hurt. Equalizers hurt, man. Yup, we only need 1 kill. And I got the last kill. I'm probably in the 3rd place, yeah. Because I served so hard and I was using the shotgun. I think I wanna play more. I wanna record more, man. And you can go and get a draw now. You can draw on that. Winter wishes, yeah. So, yeah, please give me. Not gonna lie, I don't even want the layer of ice. I just want this. The second that I saw this Lotus, I just wanna get it. But you may not know. Damn it, man! Oh, God! Top 5 in beer match. Yes. Man, I don't even play VR. I don't even play VR, man. I don't know what to do, not gonna lie. I think I'll still do. Get ready to hear some screaming when I'm using the sniper, yeah. Get ready to hear some screaming. Man, I struggle. I'm struggling with snipers lately. But I think I can use a sniper. My name is my prime, man. Thanks to my basis, he actually introduced me to this game when I was like 9. I kept trying for him to actually make me an account, but he said that he has no time, but I keep pressuring him.
Sniper. Enemy contact. Get down, sniper.
Pew! 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 Pew!
Reloading.
Man, why is he flashbanging me like that? Oh, a DLQ. Oh, wait. Oh, I can't execute him. I want to. I wonder how much players that it will do that you can actually execute people like that.
Defend the objectives.
I sound like an idiot right now. Holy man, I almost got hit by that. I keep forgetting that my scope is down there. I'm cooking.
Enemy in sight. The enemy has the bomb.
He killed him?
Finish the mission.
So,
Bomb has been planted.
what? I swear, man, it
Lost
shot
that round,
to
but it's
him.
not over yet. Ready up.
Bro, I know it hit it to him. How did he not die? Nah, that's bro. Nah, that's crazy. How? Like how though?
Get down!
Oh, I see him now. Damn, I see him now. Oh, damn it! Can't hit him. Really struggle, but it can happen.
Go
What
down.
are they doing? Please, man. hold on.
Last man standing. Finish it.
Let's not talk about what happened right
yet.
there.
Ready
Let's
up.
not talk about it.
Defend the objectives.
Let's not talk about what just happened there. I feel like I'm gonna get lagged.
Sniper!
Is he dead? Oh my gosh, is he dead? Oh, man. Yeah, no, I'm shooting this shotgun. There's two people trying to melee him, man.
Lost that round, but it's not over yet. Ready up.
Because with me, we're gonna lose. I feel like we're gonna lose because of me.
Defend the objective.
Yep, rush him,
The enemy
rush
has
them,
the
rush
bomb.
them. Yeah, rush them. Holy shit, man, there's no one with me. Uh-oh, no. Oh, God, why? Bro.
Lost that round, but it's not over
Should I
yet.
switch
Ready
to...
up.
What is it called again? USSR? Right, let's switch with it to this. Feels like a better
Destroy the
thing.
objective.
Oh! Almost. Bro. I suck. Not gonna lie. I suck, man. I'm so bad.
Bomb acquired.
I'm so bad, bro. I'm so bad. Should I change my HUD? Yeah, I think I should. This is not helping at all. Oh, almost. Oh, you almost. No, I don't.
UAV online.
I'll watch it. There's no
Bomb
one
has been
there.
planted.
Oh, it's on.
Complete the mission.
It's there. Oh, I didn't. Oh!
Ready for the next round.
I don't know what to use. HSO or that USS9.
Destroy the
I'll
objective.
stick with this a little longer. And I'm get out. No, I'm done. Every shot that's happening, I'm checking my map. No way we can blunder this, right? If we blunder this, yeah, we suck.
Bomb has been planted.
There's only one of them. Wait, there's no one guarding it though. Someone might be defusing. Yo, they're shooting someone. There's someone, they're shooting someone. Oh yeah, they're shooting someone. I think he's gone. Oh wait, someone. Where? Never mind. I guess you're
Nice
wrong.
work. Get ready for the next round.
Feels so awesome to not edit, bro.
Destroy
I
the
hate
objective.
putting text on my videos. Like I hate it so much. Somehow, actually, make it's I don't know how to put it, but I think I
Bomb acquired.
got the bomb real good. Oh, dang. They're fighting someone. Almost killed him. How to blunder. Man, those people are so quick. What I saw. Yo, stay alive, man. I can't handle him myself. Oh, wait. Oh, I got it. I understand it now.
It's all up to you now.
I
Finish the mission.
understand it now. I understand it now. Bro! This is why I use 500 G slot, man. I don't want to see your face. Bro!
Priority testing failure. Return to base.
Bro, how the hell did I want to turn the tables? I'll take it, I guess. Yo, I think I should use the code that I saw on TikTok. Yeah, I think I should. Yeah, code redemption. Yeah. Yeah, hold, wait. It's on my notes, I know. I know it's on my notes. Is it this? I think it's... I don't know. Yeah, I think it's this. Yeah, I think it's this. Hold, let me... I think this is for the albatross. Yeah? I- Yeah, I think it's for the albatross. Yeah, no, it's not. Yep, there it is. Congratulations. Oh no. I still haven't downloaded it? No, no way. Wait. Hmm. Where can I see the downloads? Audio and graphics. Sage install. Voice language. Streamer mode. Oh, what does this do? Radio call invitation. No. Forgot where to see the where I'm downloading things. Let me put it. Oh, the albatross. Let's go. What the hell is this? Where's the thing actually? Tactical bar. Yeah, cause my... Oh, that looks so cool. That looks so cool. I'm gonna run. Please go. Ah. This looks so cool, bro. I wish I have this all the time. Should I play one more? It will be this will be a long one. Yeah. Let's use QB9. So let's go. Wait, hold. I wanna use Tengu on this. Tengu, no, not that. I want to use Tengu or fries. Is the Tengu. Terminal. I think I should it both on terminal. Like my gun is close range and this map is just too big for a QQ9. They camp there and just watch us. Yo, this gun looks so cool. How about the kill effect though? No special. Not even a special reload. Man, this thing sucks. Looks like the ascended Panic. Why does it look like that, man? It looks like that. Oh, damn! Holy shit, man. I'm cooked. I'm already cooked, man.
Enemy
One of
contact.
us is AFK and someone I don't know. Yup,
Complete mission.
base. He's AFK. He's AFK, bro. He's AFK at base. No, never mind. Yep. TC to Amazon.
Not over yet.
Need
Ready up.
no.
Destroy the objective.
Man, my gameplay sucks.
We got the bomb.
Why won't you actually take it? I forgot what it's called. The bomb. Yep, no way.
Changing back! Cover me! Target's in sight. Get down!
Man!
Enemy contact.
Unlucky teammates. Unlucky. Bro. At this rate, no way we're gonna win this. Report that guy. Report this dude, man.
Destroy the objective. Bomb acquired.
Report that guy. Huh. Guard it. Yeah, let's guard it. Oh wait, we're actually
Contact with enemy.
quick. Someone might be behind me. Yo, let's go.
For the next round.
Out the cross. Damn, that looks so fire.
Destroy the objective. We got the bomb.
Yup, and let me. Oh, damn. Yup, we're losing this.
Lost the bomb. Get down, sniper!
When I realized that there's an enemy in front of me, it's already late. Yeah, no more Albatross. Actually, use this. Use this 9.
Defend the objectives.
No more.
Enemy has the bomb.
No more games. No, there's nothing.
Attacking from here. Enemy contact. Enemy down.
Yeah. Whoa.
Reload.
Yup, we're losing this. We're losing this.
Ready up.
We're losing this. No way we're winning this. No way we're actually gonna win this.
Defend the objective.
Hell no.
They have the bomb.
Like, someone's there.
You're down. Get down, sniper.
Oh, did we win? I think we win this one. Wait, we're gonna be. We need to stick together.
Sniper.
Yo, nice one, man.
Nice work. We're ready for the next round.
Can we clutch this actually?
Bomb spotted.
Yeah, like this is the type of miracle I need to pull. Fine shit, man.
Defend the
The
objectives.
fine shit, man. This is the kind of miracle I need. There's no way we're clutching them there.
Get down, sniper.
Oh, there's someone there, I swear. I swear, man. Wait about this. Just about time. Yo, I think we're good. I think we're actually
Contact. Sniper.
good. Bro, how is that?
It's all up to you now. Finish the mission.
Yep,
They have the bomb.
he is rushing me. And I think I should rush B too.
Nice work. We're ready for the next round.
Please, man, those people just did this to us. Someone already left on us. Someone already dipped us, man. How the hell are we gonna win this if someone already dipped? No, yep. They're pushing this. They are pushing this part. Wait, let me increase my
The
volume.
enemy has the bomb.
Yeah.
We're the last one. Complete the mission.
I'm getting anxiety. Need backup even though they
Need backup.
They are
Bomb has
close.
been planted.
Should I go for it? Someone is actually here. Someone's here. Right.
Get down, sniper. Sniper down.
Time's running out, man. Man, I got unlucky teammates. That is my luck on my teammates, bro. They suck as hell. They suck so bad. And even one of my teammates even get us, man.
Mission failed. We'll get him next
No
time.
way. See, I am the MVP. There's no way I'm not. Bro, I guess that's all gonna be it. And thank you for watching. No, I should cut this shit off. This is pointless, bro.